In this video, I'll show you how to solve the E2 error of your HP Envy 6400 series printer in case you're having it just like I do right now. So first of all, what is the E2 error? This happens when you're trying to print a document using the wrong size paper, and I'll show you how to fix it. So let's say I'm on my computer here and I want to print this document that is on just a basic A4 page. Well, you need to make sure that under paper size, the right size is selected. Because let's say if I'm trying to print this page on a 5x8 paper, well, I'll get this E2 error because it's not the right size paper for this document. This document needs an A4 paper, so I'll just select it in this list A4. And then I'll be able to press print and make it work. You need to clear it first before pressing print, and to do this, you just need to press this X button here, and the error will go away. Now try printing again using the right size paper and everything should go well, and you should never see this error E2 again on your HP Envy printer. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Also type comments down below if you have other ways of solving this problem, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.